Okay, this is my Honda Accord. I got a clunking noise coming from the driver's side when I brake. Okay, I'm going to stick the camera outside the window. You hear a noise when I brake easy. Okay, that's the noise. Doesn't do it when I do it in reverse, only when I brake. If anyone knows what it could be, pretty sure it's not the CV Alxes or CV joints or anything like that. Just had those replaced not too long ago. I don't know if it's something to do with the brakes or not. If anybody knows, let me know. Thanks.